Okay, so sekarang kita nak try buat quiz time in Korean. Okay, masa dalam bahasa Korea. So, start. So, today, yesterday, tomorrow, then, more is the day after tomorrow, yeah, then, 그저께, the day before yesterday, okay. Alright, so week. 이번 주, this week. 이번 주, this week. 지난주, 다음 주, next week. 지난주 is last week. Okay, last week. 네, 이번 달, this month. 이번 달, this month. 다음 달, next month. 지난달, last month. 올해, this year. 내년, next year. 작년, last year. So, check. So, itu sahaja untuk quiz bahasa Korea. Alright, cool.